that means. Jesus, ambulance and the police. Freaking GT2 RS multi-racing, holy. That's sick. First one in town. Bro, that was unexpected. Oh, it's leaving. Ah, you got a green light. No. Oh, nice looking STO. Nice GT3 997. Seems to be pretty loud. Oh. Yeah, you can hear it. Check the golden wheels out. Damn. Come on, let's go. 911R. Freaking trailer. What's in there? I wanna know. It's the Martin Valor. The new Vanquish. Wow, in brown. Composizioni aperta. Hell yeah. What a vibe. Sheesh, bro. Oh, what happened? Jesus. Ambulance and the police. I think the Tesla hit somebody. Oh, that's not good. More police. Oh my god. So much police in town, all just because of the gay parade, Pride Month, whatever. because people are drunk, going crazy. There are some conflicts and whatever. We got so many people at the gas station. What the hell, bro? So many taxis, police everywhere. Jesus Christ. Pride month, I guess. Let the lady through. Maybe it's not a lady, we don't know. So again, police closing Metropole. Always the same shit. Bro, always shutting down. Too much traffic. SLR, bro, out of nowhere from Germany. Idle. That's a motor. The bounty. Yeah. Yes, sir. Bouncing through the traffic. Cool feature, bro.
I gotta cut to the chase. Everyone give me some space. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Impact, I'm ready to brace. We fall down and land on our face, just to get up and finally escape.
From Texas. Oh mother, bro. Freaking Texas. With the EQ Mercedes. That's a rich man, bro. She shipped this Mercedes EQ all the way from Texas to Zurich. That's nuts. Watch this. You know what that means. La Ferrari in town, bro. Whoa. No way. STO and a second one. And of course we got the police back in town. They're always in town, like the Supercars. Oh, Competizione is back. It's so gorgeous. Well, that's a lot of track. Jesus Christ. Oh my God. So beautiful. There's no way to drive through. Police shut it down. But yeah. They're singing.